Hi, my name is Kevin Garber. I am going to walk you through using LogicGlue for some balance sheet reporting and insights. So let's get going. So remember, Frog is a fictitious company with fictitious data that we're using for demonstration purposes only. Please, balance sheet for August 2025. Make it detailed, lay it out with good formatting and design elements. Okay, let's get the balance sheet going. And then we'll take it from there. We'll have a play with a few different bits and pieces. And let's have a look. So should be generating the balance sheet in a second. Doing its magic. And then we will ask it all the exciting questions. Let's go. LogicGlue. Okay, here we go. Let's actually put in a comparison as well with 2024. Okay, so there we go. We can, of course, change the prompt. Remember, your prompts matter. Good formatting, and only use August 2025 data. No other comparison in the table, please. Okay, so play with your prompts. Your prompts can be very detailed, very specific. They can include design elements, layout elements, formatting elements, graphing elements, etc., which I will get into in a second. There we go. Okay, so assets, current accounts, fixed assets, liabilities, etc. We can even say things like put it in a border table and use emojis in sections for emphasis. So you can use your prompts for design elements. It does generate a simple PDF as well, which you might have seen, which we can view and click on. There we go. That's looking a bit nicer and cleaner, right? There we go. Little design element. Okay, so this is standard balance sheet. Yeah, there's some suggested prompts over here. So we can even try one of these suggested prompts. Highlight key insights or trends from the balance sheet data. Let's see what that gives us. Again, prompts matter, and we try to give suggested prompts based on your response. That will get better over time. We have some exciting other ideas how to help with quality prompting. Okay, so here we go. This is the exciting stuff, right? So I asked for key insights into the balance sheet, liquidity headroom. Here we go. Consider counting and yield optimization on surplus balances. Account tighten credit terms, receivables very big. Comments on minimal inventory. Payroll-related accruals, ensure things are happening on time. And it gives you suggested focus areas. We can even try, let's try, give me, let's see, 5 specific questions I should ask my accountant about my August balance sheet to help me gain insight into my data and highlight any risks with my business. So this is where the AI really kicks in to bring up the non-obvious scenarios. Sorry, the non-obvious 5 precise questions, okay, that you can pop in. Which customers make up the largest overdue portions? Any specific write-off provisions? Cash deployment? How should we allocate surplus cash? What's the situation with the GST? Any BAS exposure for fixed and assets? Da, 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 da. Okay, so it says, if helpful, I can prepare a quick accounts receivable concentration view. So to help with that, so you can see really, really useful questions. Again, your accountant's going to be the person that really gives you the executive thought around all of this. But in terms of the question, I mean, even a question like this, what's our minimum operating cash and how should we allocate surplus? If your business is in that position, again, these are fictitious numbers. So obviously having $12 million sitting in an account, but is not ideal. But here you can get the gist of how the AI really helps guide you with what to look at, etc. Let's have a look at let's say a quick so yes, show me a quick AR concentration. I assume that's accounts receivable concentration. Let's see what it does. Let's give it a second and let's bring it. Let's see what they are. Our concentration. There we go. Okay, so customers with the largest share, right? Top 2 customers. Let's see, date due, amount due. Okay, recommended follow-ups. Now the next stage of LogicGlue, you'll be able to request LogicGlue just via Xero sends an email follow-up, but that's in a few versions to come. One more thing I want to show you before the end of the video. I'd like to show. Let's do a show an August 2025 and September 2025 balance sheet side by side in a table format with emojis. So I'd like to just let's do another insight, another analysis, maybe a comparative 1 month to the 1 month apart, and can show the comparison, and let's see what the AI gives. We will, by the way, make this a little quicker over time once the infrastructure settles. Okay, great. So there we go, side by side, liabilities, etc. Okay, assets. Now it's giving us the prompt right here. Highlight the key changes. Boom. And give it a second. It should show us the key changes between the 2 months. So besides the report, which may or may not be easier than Xero, depending in some cases, the second part of it is all the analysis, key changes, cash at bank, liabilities. So it's showing the increase or decrease, takeaways. Cash grew strongly, working capital management lower, cash grew strongly, working capital improvement, liability mix steady. So that's basically it, just using the balance sheet as an example. You can create PDF. Boom, there's a PDF, some PDF, you can email it, you can forward it. And that's pretty much on the balance sheet side of things. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this is useful.